Hi guys, so today I am back with another, see this? Not gonna work. Great. Okay, so as you can tell by the title, today I'm going to be reviewing a new shampoo and conditioner that I have recently been testing out. It is the Maui Moisture Hibiscus Water Conditioner and Shampoo. I already said it was a shampoo and a conditioner. I'm sure you guys are already familiar with this brand, but if not, Maui Moisture can be found at the drugstore. Aside from being really affordable, these are totally CG friendly. So they have no mineral oil, silicones, parabens, gluten, SLS, sulfated surfactants, synthetic dye, or ales. They are vegan, cruelty free. If you have been watching my channel for a while, you may remember that I tested out Maui Moisture way back when. I'll link that video for you guys. Just gonna speak off the cuff here, but I think I remember not really liking the shampoo and conditioner that I tried. I think they were pretty drying. And then if I remember correctly, the styling products, or the one that I had purchased and used, was a little bit heavy. It made my curls look nice, but it was a little bit greasy feeling. What got me with these is that it said lightweight and hydration. I just feel like my hair has been getting, excuse me, way down pretty easily. So when I saw that, I was like, oh, sweet, okay. And then I smelled them, and these smell like, I want to say watermelon, but like not an artificial watermelon. It's like a really good tropical like fruit roll up. They smell so good. One minor complaint though that I think I had an issue with before is that it is almost impossible to squeeze the conditioner out of these bottles. So that being said, the conditioner itself is actually pretty thick, and you can see, let me show you guys, I actually have not used much at all, but I've used this like 4 times already. It's crazy how little product I need for my hair now. Can you see it's like only up to here? Just easy enough. I just screw the cap completely off. I'm pretty sure I had that problem last time with their conditioner too. This is amazing for detangling. It has great slip. It's really hydrating. The fact that this isn't any sort of like treatment or mask is very impressive for how hydrating it is. I really like both the shampoo and the conditioner. Because this is a shampoo, it's not as difficult to squeeze this out of this bottle, so you don't have to worry about that. But it is definitely on the thicker side of a shampoo, and it is pretty hydrating, which I like. It's not anything too hydrating where you'll feel like a residue on your hair once you've washed it, but it's definitely like, oh yeah, like my hair isn't really dry after washing, but it does clean your scalp really nice. It lathers really nice, even though it is sulfate free. So I am really a big fan of both of these. When I purchased them at Ulta, they were buy one get one half off, and I believe full price each of these products is $8.99. Part of this line as well, there is a detangler. I didn't pick that up, but maybe I will because I do really like these. Okay, so I just wanted to preface this next part just by kind of introducing these products, but I did go ahead and show you guys a wash and go routine using the shampoo and conditioner. I didn't use any additional products in these clips, just so I could show you guys what my hair looks like after using these products. And as you guys will be able to see, I feel like my hair looks really shiny. It's really soft. There's no knots or tangles. If you guys are interested in what my hair looks like when I use these products, because I actually did not use them today, I'm trying out something else today, then just go ahead, continue watching, and yeah. Okay, yeah, don't click out. Okay, so shitty at transitions.
Here we go, it's all about you, it's all about me, it's all about what we do. Making art, you and me, trying to find something to believe, because I'm running wild, I ain't running free. Still got a lot of shit left to see. I'm stuck in this town, and the town's stuck in me. Always trying to find another reason to leave, but we sit at home, all alone, hoping one day I'll never be known. Cause I'm stuck on the bottom, trying to feel on top, wishing everything would just come to a stop. Trying to fill the holes in our souls. Trying to feel the music, let it take control.
Alright, that's gonna wrap up today's video. If you guys have tried these products before, let me know what you think of them. If you have tried anything lately that you really love, you can let me know down below as well, or if you have any other curly hair questions, just comment below. Just comment with anything you want to say, even if it's just to say hi. Alright, I'm going to go and end this very painful outro. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Wishing everything would just come to a stop. Being hurt, what a concept. Gotta stay alive, yeah.